What's going on, guys? So we're going to take a little look at Chwy, ticker symbol CHWY. Kind of doing some late night charting here, just kind of getting ready for the session. We're going to have a long weekend this weekend due to the holiday on Monday. So markets have been really, really volatile. We got to see what kind of price action we're getting. I would expect to get somewhat of a little bounce tomorrow. Maybe right off the open, kind of get stuffed into supply. In Chewy's case, if we were to do that, get a little bit of a bounce, maybe $47, $48 area, we would want to look at the 1 hour time frame, look at this declining 20-day moving average as well as this rising 200. If we get more downward selling pressure tomorrow, we can expect that 20 to sort of undercut the 200, which is not going to be very, very bullish for the stock. The stock was down 8% today, just about $3.90. So with that being said, the flush level that we are looking at to the bottom here is going to be, and I'm going to draw a trend line so we can see this nice and clear, $45.50 to the downside. So what we would be looking for here is any type of little bounce, right? So we're going to be looking for this little bit of bounce in the pre-market tomorrow, possibly get rejected somewhere in this zone, maybe around 47, where we can see this prior price action here that acted as consolidation, and this action here that acted as a little bit of a resistance. So if we do push up into the $47 area and get rejected and we start to roll over, what you can do is two things. You can start a starter position here on a short, maybe grabbing one put option. I would recommend just starting very, very small, grabbing one put option. And as long as we stay there and we do get the flush below $45.50, that is where I'm going to want to add more to my position. So I'm going to want to add my more to my position here on the flush through 49. That next price target that we're looking at down here is all the way down at $41.29. Not saying that we're going to get there tomorrow, but just know you want to be selling into that strength. Okay, so as we flush through today's lows, we want to be selling and taking profits in that zone. Now, where would we stop out? $48 is going to have to be your stop. The only problem with the volatile market, everyone wants volatility. Everyone wants volatility until you're stuck in a trade and you're giving yourself $2 to $3 worth of risk on an options contract. That's never fun. Nobody likes when stocks, have contracted ranges and they're in a slow climbing bull market, and it seems like, you're not able to catch the whole meat on that bone. But the thing with volatility is these stocks are going to sway up and down intraday like crazy. So with that being said, you're going to really need to size down, and you're going to really need to allow more time for these stocks to kind of maneuver, because if we do get that bounce, we are going to want to see some sort of rejection here around 47, 48, and then we're going to want to see it curl around here. If we do continue the bounce higher over 47 and get rejected at 48, I would wait for consolidation, and if we show no strength here and we show weakness, I would definitely add to my short position here and kind of in hopes that it's going to come down to 45. However, we have to practice good risk management. Okay, so taking trades is all about risk and is all about reward. And if you cannot manage your risk, you are not going to be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor and get that nice reward. If we do start breaking over this level on a 1 hour time frame and we start to get that close and the next candle starts coming and pushes higher to confirm that action, we're just going to have to go ahead and exit the trade, and we're going to have to consider the trade a bust. We're going to have to just take our losses, walk away, either kind of enjoy the weekend and come back next week, or we're going to have to look for another stock and another setup that's potentially setting up better. We want to be trading with the overall market. So if the overall market is surging higher tomorrow, we're not going to want to really be shorting. We're going to want to take that position on the short when the futures start to stall out. I hope this video helps, guys. If you want to trade with me intraday live on Discord, definitely join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. You can get access there. I'm throwing out all sorts of levels of different stocks that I'm trading intraday, so you can kind of, get this type of material intraday, so it kind of helps you. So, if you're kind of stuck and you're like, hey, I'm in a short position here, should I continue to hold it? Although I'm not a financial advisor and can't tell you exactly what to do, what I can tell you is, hey, you know what? The stock is looking weak. We are at a flush point here. If this confirms it does have room down, or hey, you know what? This trade does not look like it's working out just because it confirmed a little bit of supply and it does have room higher. If you're interested in something like that, definitely join my Discord. Again, link down in the description. Please do me a favor, give me a thumbs up on this video so this video gets out to more people. Also, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you guys all on the next trading video.